Hey there. Frustrated that your Samsung soundbar is paired but won't connect? You're not alone. This common issue can be easily resolved with a few troubleshooting steps. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to fix a Samsung soundbar paired but won't connect, ensuring that you can get back to enjoying crystal clear audio. Step 1. Check the power and connection. First things first. Let's address the basics. 1. Ensure both devices are powered on. Make sure your soundbar and the device you are trying to connect to, TV, phone, etc., are both turned on. Sometimes it's just a simple oversight. 2. Check cables. If you're using an HDMI or optical cable, ensure it's properly connected. A loose cable can mimic a Bluetooth pairing issue. 3. Bluetooth range. Ensure the device is within a reasonable range, usually around 30 feet, to maintain the connection. Bluetooth signals can weaken over distances or through obstacles like walls. Step 2. Reset the connection. When basic checks don't do the trick, a reset often helps. 1. Forget and repair. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Forget the soundbar and try pairing it again. 2. Soft reset the soundbar. Consult your manual for instructions on performing a soft reset. Typically, powering down the soundbar for a minute and then turning it back on can help. 3. Factory reset. If issues persist, a factory reset might be necessary. Hold down the volume up and volume down buttons on the soundbar for about 5 seconds or as directed by the manual to reset all settings. Step 3. Update firmware. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. 1. Check for updates. Visit Samsung's official website and navigate to the support section to check if your soundbar requires a firmware update. 2. Install updates. Follow the instructions provided by Samsung to update the soundbar's firmware. Some models allow updates via USB or directly through the SmartThings app if connected to Wi-Fi. 3. Repair devices. After updating, try pairing the devices again to see if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Interference and settings. Devices nearby might be interfering with your connection. 1. Reduce interference. Turn off other Bluetooth devices in the vicinity to ensure they aren't interfering with the connection. 2. Check device settings. On the device you're trying to connect, ensure its Bluetooth is set to discoverable. Sometimes mobile devices have power-saving features that can limit Bluetooth functionality. 3. Use a different connection method. If Bluetooth continues to fail, consider using a different connection method, such as an optical or HDMI cable, to connect to your TV. Step 5. Consult customer support. If you've tried all the above steps and still find your Samsung soundbar paired but won't connect, it might be time to reach out for professional help. 1. Samsung's customer support. Contact Samsung for assistance. They may identify issues specific to your model and offer detailed guidance. 2. Warranty services. If your soundbar is still under warranty, you may be entitled to repairs or a replacement. Troubleshooting a Samsung soundbar that's paired but won't connect doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to restoring that sweet sound quality and enhancing your entertainment experience. Remember, assistance is always available from Samsung support should you need it. Happy listening.